Ever tried to pay a friend for that epic split they made at the bowling alley, but realized you only have Venmo and they only have PayPal? Frustration strikes, right? We've all been there in the digital age, juggling different payment apps. So, can you ditch the frustration and use Venmo to pay someone on PayPal? Let's break it down. PayPal and Venmo are titans in the online money transfer world. PayPal, the OG online payment platform, lets you send and receive money for businesses and personal transactions. Venmo, on the other hand, leans more towards social payments, known for its split-the-bill features and quirky emojified transactions. Ideally, a seamless transfer between these two giants would be amazing. But hold on to your bowling shoes, because as of now, there's no direct way to send money from Venmo to a PayPal account. Bummer, right? But fear not, financially frustrated friend. There are a few workarounds to get those funds flowing. Workaround number 1, the bank account bridge. Think of your bank account as a neutral territory between Venmo and PayPal. Here's how it works. Link it up. Make sure your bank account is connected to both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. This usually involves verifying your account details through microdeposits. Venmo to bank. Transfer the money you want to send from your Venmo balance to your linked bank account. This is typically a free and instant process. Bank to PayPal. Head over to PayPal and initiate a transfer from your linked bank account to the recipient's PayPal account. Standard transfer fees might apply here, depending on the transfer speed you choose. Workaround number 2, the Visa Plus Play, for US users only. This option utilizes a relatively new feature called Visa Plus. Here's the deal. PayPal activation. Make sure you have a Visa debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account and a unique identifier called a payname setup. Venmo on the move. Open your Venmo app and navigate to the Send section. Look for a new option called Send to PayPal. Visa Plus verification. You might need to go through a one-time identity verification process through Visa Plus. Pay it forward. Enter the recipient's PayPal payname and the amount you want to send. Remember, Visa Plus transfers are instant but cannot be reversed, so double-check those details. Workaround number 3, a third-party transfer service. There are online money transfer services like Wise or Zelle that allow transfers between bank accounts linked to different platforms. Here's a quick rundown. Account setup. Sign up for the chosen service and link your bank account used with Venmo. Transfer time. Initiate a transfer from your Venmo-linked bank account to the recipient's bank account, potentially linked to PayPal. Fees and processing times will vary depending on the service. Remember, always be cautious when using third-party services. Research their reputation and fees before committing. The final takeaway. While there's no direct Venmo to PayPal transfer, these workarounds can help you navigate the financial divide. For quick transfers within the US, the Visa Plus option might be the most convenient. But if you need more flexibility or international transfers, consider exploring third-party services. Ultimately, the best option depends on your specific needs and preferences. So, choose your weapon, transfer those funds, and get back to that epic bowling rivalry or whatever financial situation you faced. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.